If you have a friend working at Wipro, check in on them. Wipro is closing its Himachal Pradesh manufacturing unit, and there are reports of layoffs about to happen at the company. Speaking of layoffs, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella finally broke the silence on the massive Microsoft layoffs that have been happening, saying that their layoffs are due to reorganization and not performance, as they always say. Here's what else happened this week in Tech India. Indian phone maker Lava launches the Bold series of smartphones, which are decently spec'd and start for as little as 6,000 rupees. French consumer electronics brand Alcatel is making a return to the Indian mobile phone market, launching 3 new devices. Google has officially launched its online store in India, which means that you can buy Pixel and other Google devices directly from Google rather than going through Amazon or Flipkart or any other platform. That's it for now. Make sure to stay followed to stay informed tech in India and check out my website for more details.